Hey guys, good morning guys. Welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time here, thank you for stopping by. Welcome to the life of a YouTuber who lives here in the village. So guys, today I have a lot to do. I mean a lot. I'll take you guys along guys. So first thing first, I'm in the kitchen right now and I need to clean up this space. Yeah, as you can see, my chickens are here. I just brought them out from the carton and I have some Gary flakes for them, of which they refuse to eat because their feed has finished. So today I'll try to go get their food. But for now they should just rely on this. As you can see, they are doing so well. They are doing amazing. Yeah. So first thing first, I'll sweep this kitchen. I have my tripod here because I am here to film. This is the carton they sleep. This is where they actually sleep. I mean my chickens. This is where they sleep. So let me clean up. Let me tidy up this place. Then get back to go wash my plates over there. Then after that, bring the papa for me. Papa is inside in that corner. I do the okra and put inside this plate. Don't do I throw anyone on the floor. You are coming, you will not press it again. No. Yeah. So guys, right now I want to cook small jollof rice. Small jollof rice. I'm using the small fish. This is fresh pepper, one piece of tomato and onion. This is palm oil. This is Bene chicken. That's Maggi over there. This is salt. While we have the rice over here, so we're just cooking. As you can see, the quantity of this rice, it is very small. So sharply, let me prepare this. So guys, while cooking, I want to quickly plant this okra seed. As you all know, this is dry okra seed. We have the seed here and we have the cutlass here. So we're going straight to the farm where we want to plant. Kelly, come with the seed. So while the rice is on the fire, we'll be doing this at least. I think the rice will be ready in the next 30 minutes. Thank you. Excuse. Guys, I just finished planting the okra. So let me go check what I am cooking. Um, as you can see, my hand is dirty. I need to go clean up. I need to wash my hands. Then check what I'm cooking. So guys, the rice is almost ready. As you can see, the gas is still on. So we're about to take it out from the fire, and we eat. Okay.